Well, I just upgraded my WWE Announcers Table using a cardboard, a few cello tabs, and yes, it's foldable, reusable, space-saving, and of course, breakable. Hey guys, I'm your CTA aka Anand. I'm officially retiring my old Announcers Table. It gave me so many memories and moments, but sadly, this is where it becomes just a legend.
Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Now let's see if it breaks.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain.
Now the table is completed. Now to make it an Announcers Table, you need to add more details. And I'll use my skills to do it.
And finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
And this right here is a custom-made 2025 WWE Announcers Table made entirely out of cardboard and few cello tabs. As I said, it's space-saving, foldable, reusable, and breakable. With the new WWE Netflix logo, you can also stand the figures on them as it's strong enough to hold them. Just add more force or pressure if you want to break it, as I'll show you later. It's super easy to make, cheap, and looks clean too. It's perfect for stop motion figures. Just put anything on top and cover it using any brand logo, as I used my old Raw logo over it. Tudum, now it's Raw on Netflix. And let's see if it breaks in gorilla position. Yes, of course it breaks. Now you can recreate these table spots and moments, and don't have to worry about fixing it all piece by piece, as it's easy to rebuild. Let's compare the past and the present. I made the old one using a tissue box. There is a clear difference. You can see it. I don't have to be biased anymore. My job is done for now. Until I find something new and keep a steady relative from the channel. Peace. Have you ever wondered why I post content so late or inconsistent? It's because I've been posting content elsewhere, especially members only section. So if you like to see some extra content, then click the join button from any level until you choose not to. If you want to get a small glimpse of it, why don't you start as an expert with just 29 and eventually become the master, and so on and so forth until you become a pro. Because we spend a lot of money for things we regret later. This is an expensive world to live, so choose wisely, because I don't want to let you down with similar mid-quality videos. I genuinely want to improve the experience for you guys. With that said, Thank you for being a member of this channel. Peace.